Hi dudes, on the Asab training channel, my name is Asab and today I will show you one of the coolest and simplest trading strategy. Even a complete beginner can raise a substantial amount of money, and I'll grow the deposit from $10 to $11,344 right before your eyes in less than 15 minutes. Isn't it insane? Before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to my Telegram channel and like this video, because it is crucial for me. Let's get started. So, as always, let's start by setting the parameters like mine with a time frame of 30 seconds. Today we will assisted by cool indicators like Bull's Power and one of my favorite indicators, Awesome Accelerator. Before us is the average of currency pair, and Bull's Power suggests a downward movement. We trust it and enter a position down and expecting profit. Profit obtained, it is couldn't be otherwise. We stay right here. I like the overall movement. The accelerator shows a lower plan of the bullish market, and now Bull's Power believes that the movement will change soon. I'll wait until the green candle hits the level and enter an upward trade expecting profit. Cool, it's cool guys, profit obtained. I don't want to miss the opportunity. A good to earn on this chart. Everything here suits me perfectly. Let's replenish the deposit on enter a trade after the green candle hits the level. And we go down, going to the profit. Great friends, it's cool. And so again we are waiting for the right moment, waiting for the green candle to hit the level again. And now we'll enter downtrend. That's what I do. Entering down and waiting for profit, guys. I think profit in our pocket. So this chart had fully worked itself out. Let's move on. Before us is the audio and the currency pair. Here we see a maximum bullish moment according to two indicators, but I'm sure that will be a rebound, so enter up and expect a profit. Profit obtained. So profit based on as long as we stay with you right here, replenishing the deposit for the trade again. And so I observe the green candle and wait for a bounce from the level, and we enter down according to the signals of the indicator. Profit obtained. Super guys. And so we will move on. Euros is achieved GBI currency pair. The trend is downward, but I will catch the moment on the rebound and enter up, expanding profit. Oh, it's cool. Profit obtained. Wonderful, guys. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day and you can follow me step by step and get a good profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Spots are limited, come join us. Also, the first time you make a deposit on the best trading platform where I trade pocket option, you will receive plus 50% bonuses, don't miss it. So, before us is a USD currency pair. Bull's Power shows a clear bullish trend. Whoever or not listen to it, expect profit. Okay, I just go down and expecting profit. So it's cool, as always, everything is great. And we stay with you right here. I wanted me such a wonderful opportunity. I immediately enter it down according to the indicators and the weight. Profit obtained is fantastic. I immediately increase the deposit for the trade. And let's move on. So before us is the US dollar chain. Bulls power shows us a very clear bullish trend, as does the awesome accelerator. And so I think I enter it down and wait for profit. Profit obtained, guys. As always, I stay right here. And so I like this picture. Motion is very cool. I immediately enter another trade after the jump. And let's see what happens. Profit obtained, wonderful. We hit the maximum here. Let's move on, guys. Now the Australian dollar Canadian dollar currency pair is in front of us. Both indicators show a downward movement of the bullish trend. Without wasting time, I enter down trade and wait for profit. Yes, such movement, guys. Such movement. I like this. Great, we are taking ours. Let's move on. Before us is a Swedish franc, Japanese yen. Currency pairs movement is interesting. Both power indicate a reversal, so I enter down after the bounce and wait for profit. Profit based on, so stay here and I immediately go to the position up and just await the profit. We get a profit, friends, and so on. We are back on the same chart. I wait for the candlestick signal and enter an upward position expecting profit, because this candle just hit the level and I think it will be good. It will be reversal. Yes, profit obtained. It's perfect. It's perfect, guys. And so let's move on now. The Australian dollar Swiss franc currency pair is in front of us. Both indicators show aggressive downward movement. Without wasting time, we go down and wait for profit. Profit is ours, so it's good. It's very, very good, guys. Let's move on. And now the Australian dollar New Zealand dollar currency pairs. The accelerator shows a change in movement and a downward direction. Most power was globally bullish but shows a reversal. I believe the chart will move bullish, so without haste I'll enter a downward position and waiting for a convention movement. Good, profit obtained. Wonderful, guys. Just wonderful. Moving on, friend, now the euro Japanese yen currency pair clear. Both indicators show a bullish movement downwards. Without wasting time, I enter immediately into two down position and I wait for profit. Oh, such movement, very such movement, guys. Cool, profit obtained. This feeling, friends, is amazing. So let's move on now. The euro New Zealand dollar chart is in front of us. I enter an upward position very quickly because the moment is maximally bullish, but there will be an upward bound now. So just wait, guys. Good. Profit obtained, excellent. That is it. So let's move on. Now the Australian dollar, Swiss franc in the front of us was indicated bearish movement. Boss power clearly gives on a signal to enter up. So I enter up and I wait for profit. Super profit is ours. And so let's move on. Before us is the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, analyzing the signals of the indicator and a very clear bearish movement downwards. I enter down trade and I wait for profit. Profit obtained as usual. So it's cool, guys. Very cool. Let's change the chart again. The Canadian dollar, Japanese yen is in front of us. Transparently, we see a bullish movement following the signals of the indicator. I enter down after the bounce of the green candle and I wait for profit. Position is taken. We stay right here, and now after the bounce of the red candle, venture up and wait for profit. Naturally, we take was our silver. And again, we are right here. I don't want to miss such a good opportunity on this chart, guys. I enter a down position and wait for profit. Money is in place as always. This chart has done its job. Let's look for more interesting situation for range. Now the Swiss franc, Japanese yen is in front of us again. We see that the movement here is not simple. Bounce power indicates a reversal, but something tells me that the movement will continue downward. The movement indicator suggests a careful bullish trend. I wait for a good opportunity and I enter a downward trade and wait for profit. So profit obtained as always. We stay here and on a convention signal from bullish power I enter and up for the conventional on the bullish movement and wait for profit. So good, guys, so good as always. Everything is great. The money is ours. Let's move on. Now the Euro Japanese yen currency pair is in front of us. Doesn't indicate a show a bullish trend, but I rely on my intuition and enter up expecting to bounce. I think it will be good. Yes. Profit obtained. I talk about this. Let's move on, friends. Now the Euro-Russian ruble. So currency pair is in front of us. We definitely see that the movement was locally bearish, but now reversal is planning. The bullish power indicator clearly tells us about it. So I won't waste time. I enter immediately into two down position and I'm sure we will get profit. So profit obtained, it is just great. Okay friends, that is it. Let's move on. Now the Euro Hungarian foreign currency pair part shows us another reversal and upward movement. I agree with it, enter an upward trend and I wait for profit. Profit is ours. Let's move on, guys. It will be good. And so I think this is our last trade for today. The Euro Japanese yen pair both indicators show us the maximum bullish movement. I enter down and I wait for profit. Profit obtained, wonderful. And so friends, today before your eyes, I managed to grow my deposit from $3 to $11,344, and it took me just about 15 minutes. It is simply incredible and super profitable. Yeah, friends, if you are watching this video until the end, you're already with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel. To everyone profit.